So hello guys, welcome to the code of, and today we are going to solve Codeforces round 654 division 2 C problem, a cookie for you. So the given problem states that we are given a V and let's say we are given a A and B cookies, and there are n types of guest and m types of second guest. So if our vanilla cookie is greater than the chocolate cookie, then the first guest will select the vanilla cookie, and if it is less than the chocolate cookie, then first guest will select the chocolate cookie. Okay, so similarly, if for the second guest, if vanilla is greater than chocolate, then the second guest selects the chocolate cookie, and the third if it is less than chocolate cookie, then second guest selects the vanilla cookie. Now we need to determine if there is no angry person after getting all the cookies. That is, every person should get a certain amount of cookie. That is, they should not get angry. So let's see. For example, we got 2, 2, 1, 2. That is 2 vanilla cookies, 2 chocolate cookies, and we got one type of guest. Type 1 guest is 1, and type 2 guest is 2 people are there. So for the given test case, as you can see, if we order them in 1 to 2, that is, if the first guest, now V is not greater than, it's not strictly greater than C. So if the first guest selects the so first guest need to select the chocolate cookie. So remaining chocolate cookies are now 1, and if the second guest, now V is greater than C, so second guest will select the chocolate cookie as well. So we remain with the 2 vanilla cookies and 0 chocolate cookies. So now there remains still the remaining is 1 guest. So as vanilla cookie is still greater than chocolate cookie, so, and the second guest has no no cookie to be chosen from, so he gets angry. So the best case to be considered is 2 to 1. So yeah, so I will try to explain this with the approach that I've solved using certain approach. Let's pen. Okay, so what we need to do here is we just need to check. First, we need to check if the amount of cookies are less than, or if the amount of cookies are less than the number of guests. So if A plus B is less than C plus D. So if at any moment if A plus B is less than C plus D, that means the number of cookies are less than the number of guests, then definitely there will be an answer of no. That is, there will be a certain someone who will not get the cookie. So yeah, so let's see an example here. Yeah, here. So 12, 13, 25, 1, as 12 plus 13 is 25, and 25 plus 1 is 26. That means number of cookies are less than the number of guests. So there will be a certain someone who will always get angry. So no matter what happens, there will always be a no answer. Now let's look at the approach, another approach. So what we will do is we will just satisfy the condition for one type of guest, that is second guest. Okay, so let's start here. So what I will do is let's take an example here. 27, 83, 14, 25. Okay, so we got 27, 83 and 14, 25. Okay, so what happens is now as A is less than C, that means the vanilla cookies are less than the chocolate cookie. So if the vanilla cookies are less than the, so I will first satisfy the second guest. Okay, so if vanilla cookies is less than the chocolate cookie, then what happens is okay, yeah, here the second type of guest will select the vanilla cookies, correct? So what I will do is 20 I will second type of guest always selects the vanilla cookies. So now the remaining vanilla cookies are 2. Okay, now there are remaining vanilla cookies are 2. That means it is less than chocolate cookies, right? So if it is less than chocolate cookies and there are still one type of guest remaining, so they satisfy the condition. That is, if vanilla is less than the chocolate, so the second number of that is first guest will select the chocolate cookie, right? So yeah, so still satisfy the condition. But if sometimes, let's say we got our minus, so let's say we got -2 somehow, and that is the number of guests, that is number of second type of guests are larger than the vanilla cookie. So what will happen is it will sometimes get minus answer. So negative answer means that means there are certain someone who is who has not got the vanilla cookies, right? So this will return answer as no. So what I will do is I will show you the code, so you might get a better idea from there. Yeah, so let's see. First is if a plus b is less than c plus d, so answer is no as usual, that is number cookies are less than the number of guests, so this answer will be no. So first we need to check if a is greater than b or not. Okay, so if it is greater than b, that means we got vanilla cookies more. If we got, yeah, here, so vanilla cookies more, so there is no condition here. Okay, let's create a condition where 4 plus is 7, that means cookies are more, guests I'll suppose less, 2 3 5. Okay, so vanilla cookies are more, that means 4 and 3. So what I will do is I will give my second type of guest all the chocolate cookies. Okay, all the chocolate cookies. So what happens is the number of chocolate cookies are now 0, vanilla cookies are 4. So as still vanilla is greater than chocolate, so the first type of guest gets the vanilla. So that satisfies the condition and it will print yes. Cool. So this was the problem, and let's see the further approach. Yes, so if a is greater than b, that is vanilla is greater than chocolate, so I will swap them. I will say now what I will say is second type of guest gets all the it's all the vanilla cookies if a is less than b. If a is greater than b, then second type of guest gets all the chocolate cookies. And if at any moment if a is less than 0, that is second type of guest is unsatisfied, then I will print no. If they are satisfied, I will print yes. So this was just the problem of CFC, and so make sure you like the video and share and subscribe, guys. I will make D and B also if possible. A is pretty easy to but there are no votes on my Telegram channel for A, so I will not make an A video for A. If you want, comment that if you want A or not, I will make the video too. So like, share and subscribe. Cheers.